Hey guys, welcome back to my sewing room. I'm Kelly and you found me here on Pick and Stitches. And today, whoops, it's caught. It's caught. I have the latest order in from Fat Quarter Shop. I'm so excited to be opening this with you all. I think this is going to probably be the Moda bot. I'm not 100% sure. So let's see what we got. Okay. You guys, I really do enjoy getting these different Fat Quarter clubs in, and they do backfill a lot of my kind of stash back here. And I find that I pull from them quite a lot. So, okay. So this is what is this? This is the December 2024 Fat Quarter Club from Moda. You guys look at that beautiful rainbow. I am so super stoked about this. This is fun. I really like this. This almost reminds me of, oh, what was that kitchen one? Was it Julia? I think that it was, I can't remember what it's called. I'll have to look it up. Okay, so this is featuring Callie & Co. by Corey Oder for Moda Fabrics, and it's curated by the Fat Quarter Shop. So it is probably all out of that same collection, and it's just kind of Fat Quarter Shop's favorite. So let me get you guys a close-up, and we'll take a better look. All right, so our December 2024. Here we go, guys. So these are all the SKUs that you're going to get in this bundle. You'll get 12 fat quarters. And again, this is Corey Yoder's. I really love her fabrics. And I just love this colorway. This is so, so pretty. I've been kind of digging this almost royal blue mixed in. Sorry, I like to move from left to right. Can you tell I'm a type A? Just a little bit. Okay. So, and it's kind of fun. I like getting Christmas fabrics at Christmas time, but it's, we've had a lot of that in the past couple of months from all the different clubs. So it's nice that this is a fun, bright, vibrant spring grouping. Okay. So first we have just kind of a background fabric. I really like it. It's kind of a little bolder than some of the backgrounds I might choose. So you could definitely use that as part of a block. And that is more, it's slightly pink on this other fabric because of the, here, I'll just move it. It's not really pulling pink once you get it onto a white background. So that was just the next fat quarter kind of showing through. And we've got this kind of salmon-y color. I really like that. That's fun. It still has that mint, so it pulls back into the collection nicely, but I like a little salmon. That's fun. Different size dots. Another cute little floral print. Those almost look like little lemon, like citrusy kind of pulls. And then that same dot, I like those dots kind of not being the same size. That's fun. And then we got a really butter golden kind of color. And then that same print, but in this butter instead of the orange. Those are fun. I don't know why I've been into like the kitchen prints lately. So the cherries are really fun. I don't know. I think I need to make some aprons. Need some new aprons in the kitchen. I like that too. That's really small and it's just irregular enough to kind of give it some movement. I really like that. Really like it. And then another good basic to mix in. And another grouping of our cherries. So yeah, guys, I'm really pleased with this bundle. I will get these ironed out, take some better pictures for you. Okay, guys, so that's a wrap on the December 2024 Moda Club from Fat Quarter Shop. I hope you enjoy opening these just like I do every month. Again, kind of like with the Lori's, if you've got an idea for some Fat Quarter friendly patterns that you want us to sew out together, definitely comment below and let me know. If you like watching any of these unboxing videos or any of my other tutorials, please do hit that like and subscribe button. It helps me out a ton. If you know of any other quilters that might benefit from getting to watch some of the videos, I would love it so much if you would share. And until then, I will see you guys next time.